An eBay auction by Toolcrafter 802. Aluminum oxide is made by refining bauxite ores. The degree of refinement is reflected in the color and toughness of the grain. Darman uses two types of high-purity aluminum oxide grains. Sintered white aluminum oxide, referred to as WA, is the purest and most friable form of aluminum oxide. Fused white aluminum oxide, referred to as FA, is also a highly pure grain with a more angular shape. It is typically used for roughing operations. Silicon carbide is made by combining pure white quartz, petroleum coke, sawdust, and salt in an electric furnace. Hardness and purity are determined by the color of the crystals. Green silicon carbide, referred to as GC, is the purest form, while black silicon carbide, referred to as C, is the less pure. Silicon carbide is a harder material than aluminum oxide and has excellent finishing characteristics. Included in this 7-day auction is one newly manufactured Morse Taper No. 1 20mm grinding arbor for Sherline lathe and milling machines. The winner of this auction will also receive 3 green silicon carbide grinding wheels made by Darman in the USA, also 1 white aluminum oxide grinding wheel with aluminum backing, a Sherline specific 1/4-20 drawbar, a diamond dresser with 1/4 inch shank. I'll show you how to mount the arbor assembly into a Sherline headstock. I'll start by inserting the arbor into the front of the Sherline spindle and inserting the drawbar into the rear of the spindle. Tighten as such. It should be noted that there is a 7/8 inch wrench flats milled into the rear flange of the arbor. Next, you would install the grinding wheel by securing the flange screw assembly into the front of the wheel. The buyer will need to supply their own Allen wrench to tighten up the wheel assembly. After testing for trueness of running on the particular machine you are using, the operator would mount the 1/4 inch wheel dresser to their cross-slide tool post, or in the case of a milling machine, in the vise on their XY table. The dresser is then run over the surface of the grinding wheel to provide the proper geometry and also to free up the friable material and provide clean grains for grinding of your silicon carbide tool bits or your high-speed steel tool bits. Outside diameter of the wheels is approximately 65 millimeters, depth is approximately 50 millimeters, and the inside diameter is approximately 55 millimeters, giving a wall thickness of about 5 millimeters. This is the lot that the highest bidder will receive. Notice that all of the items are new and in the package. It should be noted that this arbor may have uses on machines other than just Sherline. Any machine with the Morse Taper No. 1 spindle and adequate clearance should be able to spin this tool. 3-in-1 machines offered by Harbor Freight, Hamilton, and Deckel Machine Tools are but a few types of tooling platforms which may be able to utilize this quality tool-making set. The importance of versatility is paramount to the home shop machinist. This tooling allows the operator to convert their mill or lathe to a precision tool and cutter grinder. Toolcrafter 802 is not affiliated with Darman, Deckel, Sherline, Harbor Freight, or Hamilton. Sherline is the registered trademark of Sherline Products Incorporated.